Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have an unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. I'm very excited for this one, the November box. For those of you that don't know, Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. There is various different ways to pay. You can do like a monthly rolling contract where you're not tied in. You can cancel at any time. There is a 6-month one, a 3-month one, a 12-month one where you can get the box. I think it's for like, I want to say like £8.50 a month because you're tied into the contract. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys with a little bit more of a description of the different prices. Every month you get 5 products. Sometimes you get a little surprise extra one as well. You don't get a lot of samples, you get quite a lot of like deluxe minis and then lots of full-size items as well. This is sent to me in PR from Glossybox because they are amazing and I love them. But I did before I got PR, I used to pay for it myself and I would happily pay again. I have actually signed up to another subscription, which I'm paying for myself, so I can give away a box every month to you guys. But that one hasn't arrived yet, but when it will, you will know because there'll be a video. But yeah, let's jump in. I'll leave my discount code and everything down below for you guys. Oh, it is. It's so late. I'm normally in bed. It's like 8:05 in the evening and I'm not even joking. If it's your first time here, I've got 3 children. I'm normally in bed by now. So this is late for me, which is why it's pitch black outside. So I've got my lights on. This is the box. We're back to the pretty standard box, which is the pale pink with the black lettering. Let's get in. So it's like this, and then it says makeup and magic as a little thing. First things first, I will do the sneak peek for December because I never remember them. Next month marks what us Glossy HQ describe as the best time of the year. During colder seasons though, we know skin needs extra care, which is why next month we're bringing you a Symbiosis glycolic acid and RNA overnight rejuvenating eye serum. This is worth £102. Oh my god. So this is what the sneak peek is for December. So we're getting one of them, which is £102. Wow. So we've got Make Some Magic. We all know glossies can never get enough of a little glitter, shimmer and glow. With the end of the year fast approaching, we know that you're more than ready to combine all 3 to create some magic. Which is why in November Makeup and Magic box you'll find amazing brands that will prepare you perfectly for the upcoming celebrations. Pour yourself a glass of champagne, invite over your besties and begin conjuring up some gorgeous glam looks. Obviously we can't invite over our besties at the moment because lockdown happens in 2 days, which is rubbish. But you can pamper yourself. So let's get in. I can never rip that paper without do the sticker without ripping it fully. This is the box. So the first thing I've got, it's a Hask Argan Oil Repairing Deep Conditioner. I love these. Just like a big packet of conditioner as a hair mask. So this is full size, £2, formulated with organic argan oil unique to Morocco. Deep conditioner will turn dry and damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic. So you put it on and then leave it for 10 minutes and rinse it out. They're always really nice. This is a colour safe formula as well, which is good. Lovely. Next thing. Oh, Generation Clay. I love this packaging. It is beautiful. That colour is gorgeous. That is like the purple from Friends, isn't it? It is. That's probably why I like it so much. This is a deluxe mini. Deluxe mini is worth £19.32. A full size is £40. Ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. This brightening purple clay mask has seemingly magical properties. Formulated with Australian Davidson plum, a natural superfruit that gently acts like an exfoliating acid. It will transform your appearance by rejuvenating dull, tired skin and lightening dark circles and pigmentations. Apply for an even layer for 10 minutes, leave to tighten and then wash off. I want to have a look. It's sealed. It's obviously not as purple as the packaging, but it is purple. Oh, I'm going to use that. I might do that tonight after I've took my makeup off. Oh, I love it. I love a mask. Next, I've got... Oh, it's another mask. Oh my god, are you glittery? What? Are you? It's black and it's purple. Sorry, I'm just like all excited. K Bella. Look at that packaging, that's mental. This is a recharge and restore moonstone glitter gel mask, lusting after a radiant glowing skin. This hydrating gel mask will cast a spell and make exactly that happen. Enriched with recharging moonstone extract and glitter shimmer particles. Apply to the skin and then leave for 15 minutes. Is it a peel off one? No, it's a rinse off one. But it's glittery. Oh, I love that. And I know some people are going to be like, oh, we've got 2 masks. Well, I like masks, so I don't care. But yeah, that one's obviously one you'll get like a few uses out of that. That one, I think that's probably just one. Especially if you've got a big face like me. That's probably just a one-use one. But I know some people will get grumpy because there is 2 masks. But we're all stuck in the house at the moment, so pamper yourself. Next up, we've got a Spectrum brush, which is $7.99. Spectrum brushes are lovely. Packaging's really pretty as well. Limited edition BO7 brush. Add definition to otherworldly makeup with this tall pointed blender. Black and gold tool, taper at the tip, defined flame shape. Let's have a look. Ooh. So that's like a blendy. I use any brushes for anything, to be fair. But that is a nice fluffy one. Yeah, I'd use that for like blending out crease colours and stuff. But I'm not a professional, as you can tell. And last thing, we've got a LA Splash Cosmetics Magic Palette worth £29. Beautiful packaging. Look at that. So pretty. Summon mystical forces with the most magical highlighting palette ever created, provided with the right... Oh, it's not eyeshadow. Oh, it is eyeshadow. Providing the right balance of undertones for 8 spellbinding shades to complement any complexion, whether it's day or night. Apply a lighter shade all over your lid. Oh, and then it tells you how to do it, but we know how to do eyeshadow. Oh my god, it's black. It's so pretty. Look at that packaging. That's like the prettiest palette I own now. I love it. Oh, they are. Oh, they are. They are super pretty colours. Look. Have a little shove my finger in it. Ooh. I'm not doing all of them. I'm just doing 4, no 3. Look at them. You can see how reflective they are. That's insane. Have a little go on my hand. So we've got, what did I just shit my fingers in? Stick my fingers in. Sunstone, no. What are you? Rose quartz. Citrine. Ooh, they're really soft. And Argonite. Oh my god. Like, the shimmery ones are beautiful, but that Argonite is like my dream colour. I love like terracotta kind of colours. They're just, it's just like where my happy place is. This colour is my happy place. But they are beautiful. They are so shimmery and soft. I'll have a go using them. I've literally just swatched that on my hand, and then I've just went to wipe it on my leg because I'm not wearing trousers, obviously, because it's bedtime, and it's just done a full another swatch on my leg. So a little goes, yeah, it's done it again, a long way. They're really good, but swatches don't really mean anything, so I will use this palette tomorrow, see what it's like, and then I will put a little disclaimer on the screen or down below. Like, if I put it on and it blends out to nothing, I'll let you know, because yeah, swatches don't mean anything really, because even crap stuff can swatch nicely. So we shall see. I'll let you know, guys know. I really like the box. Everything in it will get used. Like, I'd quite happily do like the hair mask and then a normal mask just on a night, shove it all on together and just sit and watch some crap on telly. And I'm excited to try that. I will let you guys know how that is. yeah, as I said, I have purchased another subscription, which I'm assuming will come sometime next week, and when it does, I'll do a video unboxing it, not swatching anything, and then I will do a giveaway for one of you guys. So yeah, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.